got a little electrical shop here, guys. Sells everything from jewellery to watches, of course. I mean, who wears watches nowadays? They even do battery packs, phone cases, new phones, AirPods, even a Bluetooth gamer pad, which apparently is for iPhones, Androids, PC, P3 and TVs. Imagine that, guys. You could play games on your phone by the use of a controller. They even do smartwatches as well as trimmers, Circa Pro rechargeable hair clipper for the good price of €25. Now that is a bargain. You can also get your sort of gimbals or selfie sticks right here for €13. Or if you want to be a bit more basic and on the cheap side, you can get one for a £5 as well. And of course, next door you have the newest things in Benidorm, 24-hour vending machines. Of course, that do the basic essentials. You can get lighters, stuff for your cigarettes, as well as basic sweets, chocolates, crisps, cans of pops as well there, coffee if you're cold, and of course a burger machine. Now, one thing I want to question is, will they be hot? Will they taste any nice? Comment down below if you want us to try it. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and bounce on over to the next brilliant Benidorm video.